Alright, you guys ready? Janie, what are you doing? No. No. No! Please, God, no! No!
Hello there. Now that Jelix Fun is dead, welcome back to the channel. I'm not sure if you can see it all, but we're making sushi. Yo, welcome to our sushi crib.
Sushi crib. Today we have some mango. What is this?
That's smoked salmon.
Smoked salmon, artificial crab because I can't eat real crab.
Chicken.
This is chicken. Because I don't eat fish really. This is cucumber.
Cream cheese. What's that?
That is spinach. Sesame seeds.
Black sesame.
We got some avocado. We got it in the package so it would be easier than finding a ripe avocado and not having it be rotten.
We got these crunchy noodles.
We were trying to find, what are they called, Jelix?
Tempura crunch.
Tempura crunch, but they didn't have it, so we settled for some chow mein noodles, and they're like little crackers pretty much.
We got all the sauces, and most important, we got Blue Mountain Dew.
Blue Mountain Dew, sriracha mayo. There's some rice. It's done.
That's the rice cooker. Don't worry, that just means the rice is done.
We got Baby Bop's yum yum sauce. If you don't know what Baby Bop is, you probably don't.
It's Asian Chipotle.
If you haven't had it, it's delicious. So that's just basically yum yum sauce. Then we have sweet and spicy yum yum sauce instead of trying to make what is it called? What is this little ball? I got on Amazon and got a sushi making kit that kind of has everything in it. This is the bazooka, so you put stuff in here and you shut it and then you twist it to smush it in there and then you push it out the hole. See that? And then you put it on your roll. We also have a handful of these thingy-majigs where it looks like this. This one is the heart. And then so you put this on top of here and then you put your wrap in and then all your stuff and then you fold over the wrap and then you press it down real tight and then you take it out and you just cut it like that. And I also have rice ball maker, so you put some rice in here, shake it up and it makes a rice ball. So I ordered soy wraps and then at Walmart, but seaweed wraps.
Seaweed's better.
And we got all this at Amazon and Walmart.
We are not sponsored by Amazon or Walmart.
I'll send Jelix a link for the sushi kit I bought and the rice and the wraps.
Hi,
Copyright.
I'm Jelix Fawn. Joined here by Amigo and Janie.
I'm Amigo, that's Janie.
Janie Fawn, the masked Amigo. Got it? Good.
Alexa.
What is this, a contest to see who can make the best looking roll?
Sure.
Hey, there's the idea for the episode.
I was going to make it a how-to video, because I have those on my channel
How
too.
to make sushi.
Or would it be a chow to?
I'll
'Cause we're
probably
eating.
do this one.
Do you want the bazooka, or do you want the heart?
I guess I'll take the heart. Because I'm so full of love.
Oh.
So, I guess you'll do the bazooka, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't use the wrap first. You put the rice in.
Never made a roll of sushi in my life.
None of us have. You shoot this out?
Yeah. Okay, now you smush it with a oh, you have the smusher. Here, you trade me. Smush, smush, smush.
I think I'm going to start with some salmon.
This is a fun little activity.
I'm having fun.
Me too.
I gave you a thing to get some rice.
I know, but he needs this
I
thing
need
that I stole from him.
The sheaf, so to speak.
I think the bazooka is my favorite one so far, even though I haven't used it
It's
yet.
just because it's called the bazooka.
Absolutely! Yeah, I'm making a mess. Don't yell at me.
I want avocado.
That's too much avocado.
Speed off.
Show it off to the camera.
I will. This is what mine looks like so far.
It looks like the Hulk.
Look at the Hulk took a cucumber. I'm excited. I haven't had a fun video in a while.
Amiga's like, really? You don't have fun with me?
You ready for me to go freaking bazook? Alright, boys and girls, this is where boys turn into men.
Are you gonna do a big zoom on it? You gotta turn it first.
Oh.
Before you...
Where's the top piece? Oh, it's right in front of my face.
Are you turning it the right way?
I don't know.
Right, you tight, you remember. Yeah, because you're going
Oh.
into it. See?
Oh, it's coming! Oh,
Oh,
shoot.
shit.
Oh, wait, here, I'll do it this way.
You probably should start
Hold on, no, wait, where's the lid? Okay, fine.
It still worked out.
the lid.
That's actually not bad.
For your first sushi roll. Whoa, you don't roll it all at once. Remember, they take it back first.
I don't remember. All right. Not the worst. Look at that. That's something.
Are you gonna cut it or you just eat it as a big roll?
I'm gonna eat it as a burrito.
Give him the bazooka so he can start his.
Here you go.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
Well, use... this maybe? Let me see that. Oh, God. It turned out... Okay, hand me the knife.
So do I coat it on both sides or just one?
I did both sides and you put the stuff in the mouth.
Oh, no, it's falling apart. You didn't do any sauce. Oh my God, you're eating it like a hot dog.
More like a burrito. That's pretty good. I'm not impressed.
Looking out of the butt.
Not impressed?
I'm not impressed.
I'm trying really hard.
So you're impressed.
Kind of.
Is this a good purchase, you think?
I would definitely do this again. It's not freaking beautiful, but it's tasty.
I used this thing where you put the wrap in, and then you put rice on the bottom and on the sides, and then I filled it, put more rice on top, folded over the wrap, and then pushed this round piece on top. It'll only let you go so far, so you have to fill it up pretty big.
I feel like the
Rate it.
seaweed's dry.
It looked really crunchy.
I don't know what they do differently. Maybe they add water or something.
Maybe. Well, I don't see them out of water, but they might.
Like
Can you
in-
try to open that?
Like before they serve it.
Ooh, Amigo went big and did crab and salmon.
Dang, man. You got a straight up California roll.
Compared to where we normally go, rate it.
Like, Fusion is a 10,
Yeah. What is this?
and gas station is like as a 1 or 0.
0. They don't even sell sushi.
No, they do serve gas station sushi.
Seriously?
Do not.
I won't.
And then let's say like Kroger sushi's at 5. So I'd rate this probably minus the seaweed wrap. It would have probably been 7.
7.
The seaweed wrap takes it down to a 6. It was like a 7.5.
I'm putting sesame seeds on mine because that's what I do at Fusion. But I thought this little packet would come with a shaker, but it didn't. Oh. Heck yeah!
Dang.
Oh yeah! Oh,
That's
a little
hot.
too far.
Can you fix it?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Here,
It's too
put
late.
it on the table, unless you think that's great.
Wait, no, here. That's
oh my
pretty
gosh!
good. Show the
Now you gotta cut it. Use
That's the
this.
hard part, though.
Use this.
How do I get it to stick to the
I don't know.
Water maybe. So I made mine.
Put it in the thing.
Flour.
The round thing.
Okay, I'm
This
gonna
thing?
try mine.
But
Start
is this
off.
thing machine washable?
I don't know.
I hope it is, because there's like avocado squirting out the sides because of you.
Look at Amigos.
I'll show it off.
I think I'm gonna stick with just Yum Yum.
Would you like one of my
That is
pieces?
really spicy.
I'm gonna have this one that you gave me since I fingered it all.
Would you like
up.
one, Janie?
Oh no, thank you.
Oh! Excellent, amigo.
How's my plating look?
Oh!
Oh my god, it looks so good.
He's a freaking sushi shark. He's been playing like he didn't know nothing about making sushi, and bam, he's a freaking artisan.
Well, I don't know anything about making sushi.
Liar.
I'm just.
Now you need to get the end so you can smush it together so it all comes out good. Oh my god.
Oh, it's
Oh my
coming.
God.
The baby's coming.
Oh my god, this
Oh.
one might be it. Oh, no, it's too long.
Oh, wow.
It's like one roll too long.
But now can you plate it as well as I did?
Oh my god.
That one's the thick boy.
Alex might have the win on this one.
Oh.
Oh my god, that looks so good. They can see how crisp it is.
Yeah. It's got that color. It's got the taste.
What would you do if I ate that?
You know, I mean, I got more.
I know, but that one like is the.
You can have that one. It's fine. I will donate to the cause.
Look how awesome that looks. Okay, so the bazooka maker is a win.
Mm-hmm. And then we just use this to cut the...
Yeah. Wow, look at that. You can barely see it, but you can see how crisp it is.
Take a picture. Does anyone want to try my mango faux crab cream cheese veggie roll?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that.
Whoa. Okay.
We're logged down here. Subscribe. That's really good. Have a good day.
Leave a like and comment. And I'll see you in what the future brings next. Bye, friends.
I didn't get to say my verdict on your roll.
Oh, okay. Go for it.
Okay. Personally, didn't like the seaweed wrap because it was hard to chew. The crab was alright. Rice, undercooked. But other than that, it was good.